Hi, this is the webpage Billy Bopop, the HTML blob. This video is about text shadow. Let's go to our article about text shadow. If you are on the page about text shadow, you first see a block of pseudo CSS code, which describes the structure of the declaration of text shadow in CSS. Then you have a piece of text in which there are some links to interesting sites who talk about this topic. Then you have a piece of JavaScript code, which returns true if text shadow is supported in the browser this code is running. Then, if you scroll down, you see a widget with some color pickers, some spinners, and some select boxes. Let's see what this is about. First, you have the color picker for the background color. If you click on it, you select the color, you see that the background color of the example text here is changing. Let's set it back to white. And if you go to the color picker for color and you put it on white, you see the color of the text in the example text has changed. You can change the font weight, so making it heavier or lighter with this spinner here. You can change the font size, making the text bigger with this spinner here. You can choose another font family with this select box. Let's choose Arial. Now you can also manipulate the shadow. You can change the color of the shadow. Let's put it on red. You can change the horizontal offset of the shadow. As you can see, positive numbers are to the right and negative numbers are to the left. Let's put it back on the original setting. You can choose the unit of measures for it. And you can manipulate the vertical offset. Positive is down and negative is up. Then you can manipulate the blur. It runs only for positive numbers. 0 is no blur at all, and a very big number is totally blurred. Let's put it back on the original. Now we can define multiple shadow lines, so we can add, with the pushing on the green plus button, you can add a line. Let's add 3 lines. And you can manipulate in a very simple way the text. You can. Let's put it all around the letter. And we put this one also on -2, and we make the blur a little bit smaller. The font size a bit bigger. You see, you can easily make some nice effects with the shadow. Let's put all the colors on red. And you can delete the lines by pushing on the red minus. You can also easily change the effect by making the background dark, for example, and choosing an almost white text and making a yellow color for the shadow. Let's keep it on one shadow and place it directly under the letters and blur it, and you have a golden shiny effect. And you can add more lines to it to increase the effect. Put it back to 0, directly on. And as you see, you can easily create some effects with text shadow. Now, if you want to see how it looks in your text, you can change the example text, like we do here with changing it in Billy, Bo, Blob. If you like your effect, you can copy, in this text box below, produce CSS code, into your page, into the CSS of your page. Well, I hope it's clear what this page can do and where it's about.
Hi, I'm Billy Bo Bob the HTML blob and I approve this message.